Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are clicking on my channel, then hi, welcome. I've changed my background. What do you guys think? Is it too much? Is it too little? Let your girl know. I'm having a little bit of a play round at the moment. It's 7:30 in the morning, guys. I'm getting ready for work and I thought I'll just turn on the camera and do my everyday makeup. This is a bit more like an everyday little bit of a glam glow up makeup, to be honest. I felt like I needed it this morning. My hair, I do not know what to do with my hair at the minute. I don't know if this looks cute or it just looks horrific. I'm needing a haircut, guys. I can't wear my hair down at the minute. It's too long. Then I cut my own bangs and yeah, I don't think it's worked out very well for me. So I'd sit down. I've had quite a lot of people ask me what I use on the, you know, everyday makeup. I get quite a lot of comments and how I keep it on all day. So I work in a spa, guys, and to keep on my makeup on all day is a challenge. If you want to see how I create my everyday makeup look, then keep on watching. So jumping in, guys, I'm going to be using this product. This product I saw Rachel Leary using, and of course I had to pick it up and try it. So it's the L'Oreal Relighter Lift Filter 1.1 hyaluronic acid serum. I love doing skincare before makeup. Your makeup lasts so much longer and looks so much better on the skin. This is really lightweight, and hyaluronic acid is so good for like plumping the skin, making it feel youthful. In with this little dupe from Primark. So everybody knows about this dupe. It's a vitamin enriched hydrating primer, and you get this £4.50 from Primark if you can get it, if you can get your hands on it. So I have been loving this product since I picked it up. I have made a dent in it, guys, which I'm quite sad about. So hydrating on the skin, and with me being a dry queen, you guys know I have really dry skin. If you're new to my channel, I do have dry skin. My eyelids, since putting that hair removal cream on my eyelids, well, I didn't even put it on my eyelids, I put it just literally underneath my brows. It's made them even drier and sensitive, so I'm trying to be a little bit more conscious of what I'm putting on my skin at the minute. And plus, hay fever season is back with a vengeance. Now, I saw Madison Sarah using this product and raving about it, and I'm of course talking about the MAC Dewy Skin Tint. So this is the Strobe Dewy Skin Tint from MAC, and I picked it up. Of course I did. I picked it up in totally the wrong shade, so a tiny little bit of this goes a long way, and I just use it as a little bit of a strobing cream underneath my foundation. Not that I wear a lot of foundation when I'm going to work, but I'm literally just gonna put that much on, rub it into my hands, and literally just press this into the skin. I mean, you could, if you've got the right shade, obviously I've not got the right shade, but if you had the right shade, you could totally wear this literally on its own. So this is the YSL Pure Shot. It is a air thin UV defender. So it's got UVA, UVB, pollution, and SPF of 50, because obviously we're in the summer months now, so we definitely need to be putting on our SPF. So I'm just going to go into my brow. So I just literally follow the natural shape of my brow and fill in any sparse areas. I don't tend to do a lot of eyeshadow for a daytime because my eyelids are quite red at the moment. This is just to cancel the redness out, really. So taking my loose powder from H&B Cosmetics, the Soft Focus Loose Powder, I'm going to pop this and set the eyes. Today I'm feeling a little bit of shadow, nothing too crazy, because like I say, I am going to work. Well, actually, the whole of this month, the whole of May, I'm actually training to be a beauty therapist at work. Yeah. There's that. So I'm doing a lot of training at the moment. 9:45 till 6:45 every single day. We've been doing massage techniques, facials and stuff like that, which I'm really enjoying, guys. Don't get me wrong, I loved my hosting job role, but there's always, you know, things that happen in life, and I got onto the training program, so I'm doing that. I'm really excited. I'm hopefully going to be borrowing my mother-in-law's massage bed so that I can massage Tony, and because that's part of the coursework, you have to do a male. So I'm going to do Tony. I think he's really excited about it as well, so hopefully I'll be able to do that next weekend. Obviously I'm not going to film it or anything because I'm only just learning. Yeah, I'm really excited, guys. It's a new path. It's all to do with beauty, which obviously you guys know I'm obsessed with. I love anything to do with beauty, so I'm really excited about it. So like I say, I am going to put on a little bit of shadow, so I'm going to use this Memo Mitchell palette. Do You Want Some Milk palette. It is gorgeous. I've hardly like dipped into this palette. If you guys want to see a bright pink, or we've got a bright blue look or a green look or whatever, if you want to see me do a bright look with this palette, just comment down below, let me know, and we can definitely sort that out because I really love this palette. So I'm going to jump straight into Caramel, which is this gorgeous like brown, taupey brown. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush with that colour. I'm not going to take a lot because like I say, I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm just going to circle that into the outer corner. So if you find it hard to like blend your shadows, always get like a big buffing brush like this. It's more compact, and without any added product on, just literally go around the edges and it literally diffuses it for you. The brush will do the work. Shimmer to use, so I might use this, is it Golden Pour, and then either Milky. So we've got Golden Pour, which looks like that, or we've got Milky. So let's do a little bit of a swatch. So that's Milky, and then we've got Golden Pour. I think I might go for Golden Pour, you know. Oh yeah, good choice. That looks beautiful. Use Milky on like a little pencil brush and just pop that in the inner corner. Oh yeah. So I'm going to use an Emma Fleming brush from Buff and Blend. You can't get these brushes no longer. And I'm going to use 03 brush, which is like a flat brush. And I'm going to go into Biscuit, which is that nice chocolatey brown. And I'm just going to pop that on both sides and do like a little bit of a wing. Just going to curl those lashes. Going in with the Beauty Crop Pore Filler Mattifying Spray just to revamp the face up. It's enriched with the niacinamide, green tea and hyaluronic acid, which is everything perfect for your skin. So niacinamide is really good if you've got like acne breakouts or acne, you know, breakouts on the skin in general. Green tea settles the skin, and hyaluronic acid is really good for plumping and giving that moisture back to the skin. And these Beauty Crop sprays, don't sleep on them, guys. They are so good. I want to get the Wee Chewy one. I can't get my hands on it just yet, but I will get my hands on it. I managed to get my bloody hands on it. The Pink Honey BFF Bronzing Face Frosting Bronzer, and I've been using it off camera, guys, and oh my gosh. So I'm just going to dive straight in. I'm just going to use this little angled brush. It does have a weird smell to it, and if you bought it, you'll know it's like chemical smell to it, which is probably not good for putting on your skin, but it is a lovely product. And I jumped on the bandwagon a little bit late because I couldn't get my hands on the product, guys. I just couldn't get my hands on it. I'm gonna go in next with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is its 16-hour wear concealer. Don't know who's wearing the concealer for 16 hours. I've got mine in the shade Fair Rose. So I'm not going to be putting a lot of this on. And I've been putting it quite low under my under eye. Shape out those cheekbones that I don't currently have. Underpainting or something. So I've heard that's what it's called. I've forgotten how quick this bloody concealer like locks it down. God, I look crazy right now. The NARS Soft Matte Complexion Foundation. Pop some of this on the back of my hand. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to dab that all over. And this is how Kendall's makeup artist and Madison Beer's makeup artist does a off-duty model kind of look. And then I'll go in with my sponge and just pat that all in to make it all nice and seamless. And again, I'll go in with the spray just to lock it all in, and then go back in with my sponge. It really locks everything in and it looks seamless. Taking the Vive Modern Bronzer, I'm going to take a mixture of the two. Taking it on a fluffy brush and just patting that onto my skin. Such a gorgeous bronzer. I need to try out some more of the Vive range, because I am in love with this bronzer, guys. I'll just put a little bit on there, do the double gel on the chin, and again I'll go back in with my sponge just to blend it all together. Oh, I hate bloody hay fever season. So going in with my Kimchi blusher in Cheeky. Look at that, how gorgeous. So I'm just literally taking a mixture of the two. But this is really like pigmented, so you only need the tiniest bit, and I'm just patting that onto my cheeks. It's a gorgeous baby doll pink, which I'm loving at the moment. And then I've been loving getting my elf powder and my Triggle sponge and just carving the cheeks out a little bit, just to give it that look that I've actually got cheekbones. And then I'll just go back over with the same brush with my blush and just tap a little bit more of that on, because blush is the first thing to disappear. And again, going in with the spray. In the day I tend to use a brown mascara, so I'm going in with this one from Nude, which I got Yes Style collaborations. I absolutely love this little brown mascara. With mascara, no mascara, it just gives you that nice little lift without being too heavy like a black mascara. And I've been loving wearing a brown mascara in the day. But you guys can do what you like. You can wear brown, you can wear black, you can wear blue if you want to. But at the moment I'm wearing black, brown. And then also from Yes Style, this was in my last video, a few videos ago, and this is the Muse lip thing. It's beautiful. I really do enjoy wearing this. It's like a little lip tint and it's just perfect with this look. So this is my everyday, well not everyday because I don't wear makeup every single day, guys. I'm just gonna spritz again because I'm dramatic. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup look. When I want to wear makeup, because I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I want to feel put together, this is the look that I go for, guys. I am going to pop on a little bit of the Lottie London in collaboration with Imagination, the Ultra Glow, because I've had this for way much longer than I should have and I need to get rid of it. So that is the reason that I'm going to be popping this on. It's virtually all gone. There is just a little smidgen left. It is a beautiful, beautiful highlight. One that I really do enjoy wearing, but At this point, I think I've had it for about 3 years and I need to use it up because it's not supposed to have been lasting that long. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. What do you think about my everyday makeup? I love it. It's just literally very nice. It's very summer appropriate, very clean girl aesthetic. I don't wear eyeshadow every single day just lately, just because of the whole issue of putting stupid hair removal cream on under my brows just to get rid of those little flyaway hairs. I wish I hadn't bothered because I've literally done something to my eyelids and they're super sensitive at the minute, and I hope I haven't just caused eczema on my eyelids because I think that's what I've done out of stupidity. So this is my everyday makeup. Like I say, I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I want to feel put together like I did this morning, I got up and I was like, I need a little bit of makeup on my face. This is what I go for. If you've enjoyed today's video, please smash that thumbs up, give it a subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell if you have. And if you are part of my Glam Fam family, then I love you so much, and thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my little channel here in the corner of the YouTube internet world. And yeah, I'm gonna go to work now. But I will see you guys in my next video. Love you always.